absolutely a beautiful fall afternoon today if you got outside to enjoy it. I hope you did. Some good sunshine. But George, you know, it seems like things might be changing soon, right?
Yeah, and today did almost give us another taste of summer before fall comes back.
Yeah, this is fall summer times 3. It did feel very nice, but wow, what a great last 24 hours. We had northern lights last night.
Oh my goodness, we can't stop thinking about this.
Warm temperatures today. But you know, a change is coming. We got a cold front that's going through the region as we speak. 13 weather ball is blue, as you would expect. Cooler weather in view following that front. Still, this evening, there is a risk of fire weather to the north. Muskegon, Newaygo, Macomb counties to the north. Just excited to get closer to the weekend. Until 8 o'clock this evening, then the winds are going to die down and we will see temperatures drop. But still, high fire danger, very high up to the north, and then it drops to a high category here tomorrow, and then moderate to low because of some scattered showers early on Sunday. But lots of sunshine right now. We had some wildfire haze for a little while, some high-level clouds, but for the most part, just a beautiful afternoon. Check out these temperatures. 80 down in Battle Creek. It made 81 down in Kalamazoo earlier, down to 79. We're at 76 here in Grand Rapids. Kind of tell where the cold front is. Winds coming in off the lake in this direction has kept temperatures in the low and mid 70s downwind of the lake. Here's the cold front. It's moving down toward the Ludington area right now, and north of US 10, there's actually been some showers and some thunderstorms there, but they will not reach west Michigan. We will see the cooler air arrive later on tonight after about 2 a.m. To the north, it's in the 60s. That's where we're headed tomorrow. Right now we're at 76 with that wind coming in off the lake. You can see those showers showing up pretty well on our Euro model, and those will dissipate as they come through west Michigan. And then the showers will be mainly along and south of I-96, maybe just north of I-94 throughout the day. This model a little overdoing the rain on Saturday, and then we'll have a break Saturday night. On Sunday, that's just the cold pool of air will generate some showers, and then after that, the lake effect showers take over on Sunday night into Monday. In terms of rainfall, not a ton of rain. Most of it will be concentrated south of I-96. That will be all the way through Sunday. Long range outlook from October 17th through the 21st, that 5-day period. Guess what? Warmer than average temperatures will be back with us, with highs mainly in the 60s, maybe near 70 by next weekend, and a slightly higher chance that we'll stay on the drier side as well. Forecast then for tonight, we're looking at that red flag warning going down at 8 o'clock from Muskegon County northward. Low and mid 40s, northern part of the lakeshore zone, upper 40s in Muskegon, Holland, 52 in South Haven. Northern areas, low and mid 40s with that fire weather warning expiring, and the winds will be dying down here after dark here in Grand Rapids. Upper 40s along I-96, low 50s along I-94. 13 on your side forecast. Showers will be south of I-96 for the most part here tomorrow, and then on and off throughout the day on Sunday. We'll drop from 67 to 60. Early next week, we'll be in the mid 50s, so cooler than our average high. We'll get back to that next Thursday. By Friday, back into the upper 60s, probably near 70 the following weekend. So maybe fall summer number 4.
Okay, stay tuned.
Number 4.
Thank you, George.
Beautiful day here in West Michigan, warmed up nicely. The winds have picked up, however. We still have that red flag warning in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. But cooler weather is on the way as a cold front pushes through, and that's why the 13 weather ball is blue. Cooler weather in view. Here tomorrow, we'll start to see a few clouds around, more than we've seen. This is Mocha May, though. We're going to give you the green paw for Rhonda or Allen. This evening, 70s will drop into the 60s. Very mild evening, kind of breezy, dropping into the upper 40s overnight tonight. No rain tonight. 13 on your sideline forecast, calling for mostly sunny skies here at 7 o'clock, dropping to the mid 60s. The winds will start to lighten up once the sun goes down. Tomorrow, there's a home football game in South Bend, Notre Dame versus Stanford. Some scattered showers, maybe partly cloudy in the afternoon, but temperatures right around 66 degrees. Michigan State and Michigan got a bye week. Some scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, Traverse City down to about Clare. They're moving away from us. That's along that cold front that I just mentioned. That is not going to be affecting our weather pattern here tonight. What will is once this cold front slips to the south, winds will turn to the east and northeast, and that'll bring in some cooler and drier air. It's in the 60s off to the north and west of us, but we're in the mid and upper 70s across west of Michigan. There's that scattered shower that may make it down into west of Michigan. Doubtful. I think it's going to come through dry. And this is starting our day with a few clouds, and any showers that develop I think are going to be south of I-96 throughout the afternoon. And then we get a little bit of a break Saturday night. Some colder air with another pretty powerful system coming through on Sunday. We'll see some scattered showers with that, but most of the activity will be early on in the day, and then it transitions to some lake effect showers offshore. We will not see any here in the greater Grand Rapids area. In terms of rainfall, the heavier amounts you can see right here from about I-94 southward down into northern Indiana, and a little bit more during the day on Sunday. Again, not enough to break our abnormally dry weather pattern we've had around West Michigan. Long range outlook, this is taking us into about the 3rd to 4th week of October. 7-day period, we have the highest chances for warmer than average temperatures. Average highs, though, have fallen into the mid and upper 50s by that time. We'll be right around the mid 60s. And it looks like there's a little bit higher chance we could see more precipitation. I think there's going to be one round of some showers the following Sunday, which is right in the middle of that time period. That's really the only significant chance I see at the moment. For tonight, though, red flag warning until 8 o'clock from Muskegon County northward. Mid-40s northern part of the lakeshore area. 48 to 49 Muskegon and Holland. 52 down in South Haven. Cooler weather already settling in up north as that red flag warning expires. Low 40s along US 10 by daybreak. Mid-40s further south. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the upper 40s along I-96. Low 50s around I-94. 13 on your side forecast. Most of the showers will be from I-96 south tomorrow. A hazy day up to 67. We'll drop below our average high of 63 on Sunday to 60. Some scattered showers could be on and off in most areas at times, but drying out the rest of next week. Mid-50s, though, that's pretty cool for this time of year. Early next week, but warming up toward the end of the week. Wouldn't be surprised by the next Saturday we hit 70 once again. Another warm day here in West Michigan.
Yeah, it was gorgeous today, but we could use some of that rain if it comes. Hopefully it does, George. Thank you.
George, it's dry and windy. It's a little choppy on Lake Michigan as well.
Yes, indeed. Just be careful with fire next couple of hours. Red flag warning expires, though, at 8 o'clock tonight. We do have a chance to remedy that situation, Juliet. We have some scattered showers possible in some areas over the weekend. 13 weather ball is blue, cooler weather in view, along with a chance for a shower. Highs today, unseasonably warm. Average high is 63. We made at least 78 here in Grand Rapids. Our record high, though, 85. Didn't quite make that. Cooler downwind of Lake Michigan. As of 6 o'clock, we did make 79 here in Grand Rapids, and we forecast 76 within our target range, and we've done that 12 days in a row now. Lots of sunshine throughout the day today, but the difference between yesterday's blue skies and today was a little bit of wildfire haze in the air, and that's what we have going on overhead. Look to the north. This is north and east of Big Rapids, a line of some scattered showers and rumbles of thunder right along a cold front that is going to be slicing down through the region later on tonight. So our winds will turn around to the east and northeast this weekend, bringing in that much cooler air. Here's the models. You can see they're not quite lining up. Most of the showers are on up through here, so this model's a little overdone. Those are the showers that really mean anything, so it's going to stay dry here in West Michigan tonight. Tomorrow, we're going to start out with a partly cloudy skies. These are some high-level clouds, and then down to the south, generally south of I-96. Again, remember the model's a little overexcited. I think most of the showers will be south of I-96 down through I-94, maybe even as far south as South Bend. And then on Sunday, we have also a chance of some showers early on in the day as a storm system moves through the northern Great Lakes region. And then Sunday night, there could be some lake effect showers down along the lake shore, generally of the beaches, and then on Monday they will stay offshore while inland we'll have some sunshine. But with all those winds out of the east and northeast, we are going to see much cooler temperatures roll on in. Hour by hour, you can see most of the rain here during the day tomorrow will be right around I-94 southward, where there could be up to 1/4 of an inch of rain, and then a little bit more during the day on Sunday, perhaps up to a half, maybe even an inch down here in the Benton Harbor region. but for the most part, we could still use a good dose of some rain area-wide. Not seeing that anytime soon. This is the week 3 and 4 temperature outlook for the end of October through the first 8 days of November. Hard to believe we're talking about November already. You can see that we are going to continue with warmer than average temperatures during that time period. During that 2-week period, we dropped from 56 down to 51, and it looks like there is at least an increasing chance during that 2-week period. There could be more rainfall than usual. Over that 2-week period, we do get about 1.5 inches of rain, and of course, as we head into November, we start tallying the daily average for some snow as well. Get about 0.8 of an inch during that 2-week period. Tomorrow, though, no snow, just some cloudy skies along the lake shore, some peaks at the sun, mid-60s north, could be upper 60s to near 70 further south. South of Muskegon, this is where the best chance for a scattered shower will be throughout the afternoon and evening. To the north, you may end up being dry, partly to mostly cloudy, mid-upper 60s. Winds will be out of the east and northeast instead of the southwest. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, from maybe I-96 southward, I'm thinking more down toward I-94, you will see those scattered showers, mid-60s to maybe even near 70. 13 on your side forecast. Cooling off from 67 tomorrow to 60 on Sunday, and then drying out here in Grand Rapids on Monday. We'll be in the mid-50s through Wednesday of next week. Back to our average high of 63 by Thursday. Warming right back up the following weekend into the upper 60s to perhaps near 70.